Okay, so this is the way to turn on this 80cc go-kart. It's a little leaf fan. Um, right here we have our choke. I don't know if it's too visible. I think it is visible right there. We need to put it on this position where it says off. When the engine is cold and is off, we put it right here and we just pull the other, this one right here with the handle, and it's super easy to do it. The engine is cold, everything is right here is our exhaust and it's cold, so it should be hot. But it gets hot by the time you use. When you start feeling the engine like kind of like buggy, you just have to put this on the other way, and it's gonna be ready to run.